Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how much YouTube paid me for 500 views, 1000 views and 2000 views. Guys, I've been seeing a lot of video on this street on how much YouTube paid me for 50,000 views, 100,000 views, even 1 million views, and I'm like, what happened to upcoming YouTubers like us that are still below that 100, 200, 1000, 2k views? So what happened to us? So this is why I'm sharing this video with you all. It's not a show off. It's a way to encourage one another. Probably we will get to know at the end of the video if there is light at the end of the tunnel on YouTube. And also, I'm going to be sharing with you factors that influence your income, your revenue on YouTube. So all this information is what I'll be sharing today. So if this seems like what you love to watch, keep watching. So if you are coming across a video like this for the first time and you are wondering, so they earn money on YouTube, my brother, my sister, where have you been? You are dulling yourself because people are cashing out big on YouTube. Just by the watch ad page alone, people are cashing out big. People are making a lot of money from home. From the comfort of your home, you can make a lot of money. So you need to subscribe to this channel because I am going to be bringing a lot of news, juicy things that is going to help you with your money making online. So you need to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. And also turn on the notification bell because you are going to thank me later. And guys, I have a lot of news to share with you guys. Good news to share with you guys, but not in this video, probably in another video. So guys, before I share my screen with you, it's important, most especially for starters, to know that there are factors that influence your revenue on YouTube. So when you are opening a YouTube channel, you don't just do it blindly. There are a lot of things you need to put in place or consider if you really want to earn on YouTube. So there are a lot of factors that influences your revenue on YouTube. One of the factors that influences your revenue on YouTube is your niche. I know this is now like a cliche. You hear it every time that niche, your niche, your niche, your niche. But guys, it is very important. Your niche will determine your revenue. If you are doing lifestyle, you are doing vlogs, your pay is different from people who are into tech, who are into forex, who are doing how to make money online. Your pay is different. YouTube pays some niches higher than the other. This is a pure fact. So if you are seeing a video of 1 million views and you are like, oh, so this person has made a lot of money, let me tell you, it's possible that someone with 500 views made more money than the person that has 1 million views. So your niche is very important. Your niche determines your revenue. So in a nutshell, your niche determines the amount you receive from YouTube. It determines your revenue, your earnings on YouTube. Another factor that influences your income on YouTube is CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per mille and RPM is revenue per mille. Your cost per mille is the amount the advertiser is willing to pay. Like YouTube, take this money, advertise my product for me. This is the amount I'm going to pay. That is the CPM. The RPM, which is the revenue per mille, is the money YouTube is going to pay you from that CPM. YouTube is going to remove their own percentage and pay you your own. That's your own is what is called RPM. Your own earning is RPM. So if your CPM is high, definitely your RPM is going to be high, which is going to give you high income. But if your CPM is low, definitely your RPM will be low, which is going to give you low income. So this is also one of the factors that influences your revenue. Another factors that influences your revenue on YouTube is your demographics. This is also a key factor. Where are people watching you from? If you have people watching you from USA, UK, Canada, you get high revenue than people watching you in Africa. So that is how YouTube works. YouTube pay more when you get views from this USA, UK, Canada than when you get more views from Nigeria. So it's also a factor that affects your income on YouTube. Another one is the number of ads playing in your video. Like most YouTubers, most especially young YouTubers or small YouTubers, sorry to say, they don't know about these things, and when they create video like 3 minutes, 5 minutes videos, not knowing that you can only add at the beginning and the end. You cannot add mid-roll ad. Mid-roll ads are the ads playing in between your video, And for YouTube, mid-roll ad cannot play if your video is less than 8 minutes. But from 8 minutes and above, you can add mid-roll ads. It is very important as a starter, as a small YouTuber. Please do not create short length videos. Aside from shorts page, aside from that, if you are creating long form content, create content that are not below 8 minutes. I'm sorry, I'm having cold if my voice is somehow. If you create content that is below 8 minutes, your revenue is going to be low because you can only add ad at the beginning and at the end. You cannot add mid-roll ad. Also, if you are creating long form content, make sure you take your time to add ad yourself manually. Do not do the automatic placements. Make sure you go there and you add ad yourself. Make sure you add mid-roll ads on your videos. This is where you get money from. Mid-roll ads are the cocoa. That is where you get a lot of money from. So it is also important. Having said all this, so guys, let's go into the video of today. I'm going to share with you my screen now to see how much YouTube paid me for 500 views, 1,000 views, and 2,000 views. And we are going to relate it with everything I have mentioned in this video. So let's check how much YouTube paid me for 500 views.
The title of the video is "She Almost Lost Her Child." I reacted to one of Aproko Doctor's video, and this video currently has 572 views. Let's check the analytics. This video currently has 572 views and 15.5 watch hours. 15.5 watch hours is really low for a 572 views. It is really low. What could be the problem? Let's continue. Let's check the reach. The impression is 8,000, meaning 8,000 people have come across my channel, and I have just 6% click-through rate. Only 6% of these 8,000 people click my video to watch. Now let us go to the engagement. I have 15.5 watch hours, and this is because people do not watch it for long. This is 1 minute 38 seconds average view duration, and the video is 10 minutes long. People only watch it for 1 minute 38 seconds, which is really low. What this is telling me is that my audience do not like this type of content. So strategically, I will know what to do when I am creating content the next time. So when you go to the audience, let's check what the audience is saying. I have only 25 to 34 years old people watch this video. Other age range do not watch. Only 25 to 34 years watch this video, and only female watch this video 100%. And let's go to the top geographies. The top geographies, I have Nigeria 54.2%, Ghana 3.8%, US 3.8%, and United Kingdom 2.8%. This is already telling me, I already have an idea what my revenue will look like with this geography. It is very important. It determines how high or low a revenue will be. So let's go to the revenue and check how much YouTube pays me for these 500 plus views. As you can see here, how much advertisers pay. Advertisers are willing to pay $6.18 for every 1K views of this video, and YouTube is willing to pay me $2 for every 1K views of this video. Because I have just 572 views, YouTube has paid me $1.15. Guys, you may want to think this is low, but I tell you, this is not low compared to my other videos. I have some videos on my channel where the RPM is as low as 0.20 cents, 0.50 cents, less than $1. You can imagine that. So this is really good compared to those type of video. So this is how much YouTube paid me for 572 views on this particular video. YouTube paid me $1.15. From what I mentioned earlier in the video, you can already tell the factors that influences this revenue. Now let us check how much YouTube paid me for another video, a 1,000 views video. Let us check it together. I'm going to check this video. The title of the video is Best Way to Make Fruity Pap for Babies and Adults. This video currently has over 1,000 views. Let's go to the analytics. This video currently has over 1,600 views, and the reach, let's check the reach. It has reached over 30,000 people, and only 4.2% of them click to watch. Currently, this video has given me 87.5 watch hours. For everyone that click on this video, they watch for at least 3 minutes 8 seconds, which is not bad. The length of the video is 11 minutes, so this is not bad. So this is actually good compared to the last video I showed you. So let's check the audience who watched this video. Looking at it, I have 18 to 24 years, 25 to 34 years, and 35 to 44 years. These are the people who watched this video, and only female. Looking at the gender, only female watched this video 100%. Now let us go to the top geographies. Nigeria has 51.9%, Ghana 5.4%, India 3.1%, and United States is 0.6%. From this audience, from these geographies, I already know what my revenue will be, because Nigeria RPM is low, Ghana RPM is low, India RPM is low, only United States, but the views from there is really low. So let's check how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. Can you see that advertisers are willing to pay $1.84? Imagine this. This is really low, but I am grateful. YouTube is willing to pay me 63 cents for every 1k views for this video, and currently I have over 1,000 views, 1,600 views, and I have $1.04. I have just $1.04 from 1,600 views. You can see this is really low, and this is where everything I have mentioned before come in place. The geography, the gender, the age of the people who watch your video goes a long way to affect your revenue.
This is why I'm always like, if you see videos, 1 million views videos, and you're already calculating, let's say you to pay this person $5 per 1,000. Yeah, this person has money. It's not like that. The way YouTube pays is not like that. In fact, you have 100k views, it might be any more than that person.
So the last one we are going to be checking, which is going to explain everything I have mentioned earlier in this video, is this video titled Follow Me to Nigeria Market, Cost of Food and Food Price Inflation. Guys, let's go to the analytics. Here is the analytics of this video. So far I have 2,600 views and 280 watch hours. 280 watch hours for 2,600 views is a lot. That means people stayed longer on this video. They watch it for long. Let's check the reach. This video has reached 37.8k people, but only 5% of them click to watch. Let us check the engagement. 280 watch hours, and people watch this video for 6 minutes 22 seconds. For everyone who clicked this video, they watch this video for 6 minutes 22 seconds, which is really good. Let us check the audience. Now look at the age: 35 to 44 years, 45 to 54 years, and 55 to 64 years. You can see that I have more mature people watch this video. I can already tell that my revenue on this video is going to be high. Now let's go to the gender. Male and female watch this video, and the top geography. You can see United States has 13.3%, which top the geographies, followed by Nigeria 9.5%, United Kingdom 7.2%, Canada 2%, and Italy 1.9%, which is really good. From this, I know you can tell as well that the revenue is going to be looking good. So let's go to the revenue. How much did YouTube pay? Looking at it, how much advertisers pay? Advertisers pay $18.06 cents for every 1,000 views. This is what we are talking about. This is what is actually called a good revenue. Now, the advertisers are willing to pay $18.06. YouTube is willing to pay me $8.35. That is, on every 1K view, I earn $8.35. Because I have 2,000 plus views on this video already, YouTube paid me $21.99. This is really good. This is good. Imagine I have a lot of views on this video. You can imagine my revenue. So guys, please go to this video and watch it for me so I can earn more money on this video.
Guys, this is really good. Imagine if I have like 100k views on this video. You can imagine how much that is going to be. This revenue is high because of so many factors. The gender is there, the location of the people watching the video also determines, and the age range also determines. Everything I have said earlier, this video explains it all. If you are watching me right now, do me a favor by going to that video to watch it so that I can cash out. So guys, this is really important for every YouTuber to know. Before you pick a niche on YouTube, you have to be strategic, most especially if you know that you want to make money. It's not like you want to be working, because creating content is not easy. That is the truth. If you know you want to make money from creating content, you have to be strategic with the type of content you create. This content is a market vlog. Is about how much is the price of something. That is why the advertisers are willing to pay, because they believe that people are going to watch. They are willing to pay higher for it, and because of the gender, the location, and every other things attached to it, that is why the revenue is this high. So I will tell you, as a starter or a small YouTuber, to be strategic. Even if you are doing YouTube for passion, try to make money off your passion. Be strategic about the type of content you create so that you can earn money, and it will not look like you are just working and earning low. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please like, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe. I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Bye.